JG Creation.
You're so pretty.
Thank you.
Sige, dahil maganda ka, lalakihan ko. Tara, sakay ka na.
Pwede na ako sumakay?
Yes.
I never dreamed, cause you
Spaghetti? Boys, gusto niyo spaghetti? Are you competing with me? Bring it on.
My spaghetti has sauce made with perfect tomatoes from the highest mountain of Italy. What about yours?
My spaghetti has banana ketchup with antioxidant, antihistamine, antibiotic, anti-pangit, anti-glutathione with 0 kilogram of E. Wait, you're smart. Chicken lollipops made with bouncy fishing, spring onion. Huh. Madami onion.
JG Creation.
Nothing. I just want to end this relationship. Just respect my decision.
After I sacrificed my marriage for you, and now you're telling me is this enough? Hell no.
Just let me go!